In today's video, we are going to show you how to join the EXNESS affiliate program and start earning commissions by referring traders to EXNESS. But before we begin, let's quickly talk about what the program actually is. The EXNESS affiliate program allows you to earn commissions whenever someone signs up through your affiliate link, makes a qualifying deposit, and starts trading on EXNESS. All I have to do is, if you don't have an account here in EXNESS, you need to create one. If you have an account, just log in using your credentials, and then what will happen is you'll be forwarded to the EXNESS dashboard itself. As you can see, you can become a partner, invite a friend, and earn up to 40% of the revenue. All I have to do to become a partner and join the EXNESS affiliate program, copy that link. Users register and trade, and you qualify for commissions when they trade. Alright? So whenever you share this to your social media, for example, I am going to create a post in my LinkedIn, and then I'm going to use the referral link that I copied from EXNESS, and I'm going to post it. For example, someone used my referral link. Of course, I'm going to qualify for a commission. Remember, whenever someone signs up, the balance will be reflected here on your account. Okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to join the EXNESS affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.